Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to make equal line in MS Word. There are several ways to create a perfectly straight equal line in Microsoft Word, ranging from a quick keyboard trick to the more precise drawing tool. If you want a line that can move around or change the length manually, you can go to the Insert tab on the top menu bar and select the Shapes and click on this line icon. And now hold down the shift key on your keyboard and drag to draw the line. Holding shift ensures the line stays perfectly horizontal, equal and does not tilt. So when you draw the line, you will see that there is a shape format tab will be appear on the top menu bar. Click on that and head to the shape outline and select the color of your choice. For example, maroon color, and again click on that and select the weight from 3pt, and under the shape format on the right side you will see that there is the size. You need to click on that, and here is the height of the line and here is the width of the line, and put the exact measurement of the line and click here, and here you can see that the line has been extended to 6 inch. And now go to the view and turn on the grid lines and adjust on the grid lines, and now make it Control plus D to a duplicate line like this one. So once you have created the equal line in MS Word, then again go to the view and remove the grid lines, and here you can see that. So this is pretty simple and easy. I hope you like the video. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.